Ditec LCA70 Control Board Complete Wiring Guide. In today's video, I will explain the Ditec LCA70 Control Board Standard Installation Wiring Diagram step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Door Surgeon. Before starting any wiring work, always switch OFF the main power supply. Power supply connection. Look at the bottom right side of the control board. You will see 3 power terminals. These are brown wire to L terminal. L terminal is live. Blue wire to N terminal. N terminal is neutral. Yellow wire to earth. Earth terminal is ground. The incoming is 230 volt AC power supply. The earth connection is very important. It protects the operator and electronic board from electrical leakage and helps improve safety. After completing the power supply wiring, do not switch on yet. Continue with all remaining connections first. Motors connection. Now, let's connect the motors. Motor 1 terminals. U, W, and V. Motor 1 terminals. X, Y, and Z. This is dual gates motors. Motor 2 is delay during opening. Motor 1 is delay closing opening. These terminals control motor movement. Motor 1 phase wire connects to U terminal. Motor 1 common wire connects to W terminal. Motor 1 phase wire connects to V terminal. Motor 2 phase wire connects to X terminal. Motor 2 common wire connects to Z terminal. Motor 2 phase wire connects to Y terminal. Connect each motor cable according to the manufacturer wiring sequence. The motor cable carries open direction signal, closed direction signal, and common connection. If motor direction becomes opposite during testing, simply reverse the motor direction configuration inside programming. Do not randomly exchange power wires. After connection, secure the cable properly. Flashing lamp and antenna connection. This is a flash lamp. This is an inside circuit flashing terminals and antenna terminals. Connect LP terminals by wire to flashlight terminal. The output of this terminals is 230 volt and 25 watts. The flashing lamp warns users whenever the gate is moving. Now let's connect the antenna. The antenna improves remote control range. Antenna signal wire YNT terminal. Antenna shield wire ground terminal. Install the antenna outside the metal cabinet for better signal performance. When operating correctly, the lamp flashes during opening and closing. Single pair photocell connection. Now we will install 1 pair of photocells. Photocells provide safety protection. The system consists of TX is transmitter. RX is receiver. The transmitter sends the infrared beam. The receiver receives the beam. If a vehicle or person interrupts the beam, the gate immediately stops or reopens. TX and RX photocell power wiring. Connect power supply of only terminal 0 and terminal 1. Terminal 0 is negative. Terminal 1 is positive. Now connect relay output from RX to control board safety terminals. Receiver contact. Connect terminal 8 safety input to NC contact to relay of receiver sensor. Connect terminal 1 to common terminal of the receiver sensor. When beam is normal, gate closes normally. When beam breaks, gate stops and protects the user. After wiring, align both photocells correctly. The indicator LED should become stable. Push button connection. Push button gives manual operation. Use a normally open push button. Terminal 30 is step-by-step operation terminal. Terminal 5 is common terminal. Step-by-step operation sequence. First press gate opens. Second press gate stops. Third press gate closes. It is one of the most commonly used control methods. Partial openings. Terminal 20 is pedestrian operation. Terminal 5 is common terminal. Only one gate opening by this operation.